Okay, so we've got probably around a 2017 GE side-by-side refrigerator. There's the model number, and it was making bad noise that could be traced to the freezer side, and so I stripped all the shelving out, and there's the evaporator, and it started not freezing on the noise was a kind of a cyclic humming noise, and I pulled the fan module out, the evaporator fan. There's the new fan that was installed. Had to get a new motor because the wires from it shaking literally caused it to break. The reason it was shaking was the fan must have hit at some point. You could see the fan blade is chewed up on the corner. So I purchased a new fan motor. It comes with the harness. Here's a harness off the old one where the wires broke. I simply cut the rest of them. 2 or 3 of them were broken. You can get a pack with new bushings. They're new rubber bushings. I don't think they really do a whole lot. It was the fact that the wires in the motor, this thing's at the local parts house, was $90 with tax. You can get about $70 locally, and here's all the parts that had to come out. The ice maker has to come out, you know, the trays, the ice bucket, the shelving units, all that has to come out. And this is pretty much the last part that goes back in. You'll have to pull the harness out. It comes with a harness. There's a little bit of foam cushion that goes over that. You can just peel that off and then put the harness through and put that foam back on to seal it up real well. Make sure you know how the fan goes on. The stem of it just sticks out slightly. I took photos of it, which I was grateful for later, so that I knew how everything went back together appropriately. So I took 3 or 4, and that was very helpful. So if you have a lot of noise coming out there caused by vibration, what could have happened was I was jamming big bags of ice up there. Maybe some of the ice came out of the ice bin and fell into the motor, possibly. Doesn't seem right after 3 years that would fail like it did, but it did, and so I wonder if it's something I had done with overfilling the ice bin and having ice fall down in here, maybe getting lodged in here, or if it's just normal wear and tear. I couldn't tell, but there it is, going back together.